Pepper.
Pepper. Garlic.
Wala ka na garlic. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will do a cooking. Okay, so this is another episode of a cooking show, and for today's video, we will going to cook pepper lemon chicken. Abot mo ba na ang title? Hindi ko sure. So now, before we will proceed with our cooking show with the procedure, we need to wear our safety apron. Bang! Okay, so now we are ready for our cooking show. So let's begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here we are for our ingredients. First, we have chicken, pepper, oil, of course, 3 pieces of eggs, 2 lemons, butter, flour, cornstarch. So let's now begin. So first, beat the egg. Put pepper. And salt to taste. Here we have our chicken, so we will coat the chicken with our mixture. We'll put everything inside our mixing bowl. After that, we will massage all the chicken. So we will massage it properly so that it will be coated. Just massage the chicken. And then after that, we will set aside the chicken and wait for a bit. And then after that, we will zest the lemon for later. So after we set aside the chicken, we will now coat the chicken with first cornstarch. So here's the cornstarch. And here's our coated chicken. After that, we will coat it again with flour. We'll put salt and pepper to taste. So we'll mix the salt and pepper to our flour, and then we will coat again the chicken for the second time around. And now we are done. And put the oil, and then we will let the oil to heat up. After, we are now ready to fry our chicken. After we fry our chicken, we will now make our sauce. A mixture for the lemon pepper chicken. So first we have butter. Next we put our zested lemon. Next, we put salt and pepper to taste. And then water. After we let it simmer for a few minutes, voila! So we are done with the mixture. We'll pour it to our chicken. And here's our finished product.
Hey! So, tapos na tayo magluto ng sticky mantay! We have here Ate Bebe. Ate Bebe to taste ang ating finished product. So, taste test na. So, hopefully, masarapan siya, no? Masarapan siya, laban lang. Nilagyan ko to ng kuskus para mahiluan. Kuskus? Anong kuskus? Anong kuskus? Try mo para. So, ito na yung, this is the moment. Isang sa umukbang. Sumula, uy. Hoy, magdarong ibisan mo. Okay, so I'm ha? Masarap. So, thumbs up.
Yung ano, yung lemon na, mag-green ka na. At saka yung may, ano,
Pepper.
pepper, garlic.
Wala ko na garlic.
No, malalasahan mo talaga yung lemon.
Masarap. Huwag char.
Gawin mo sa bahay.
Sa bahay ni Kuya. So, ako daw patingin lang. Bisa gigutom.
Dito talaga yung maraming.
Masarap. True, walang ketchup. Kasi tumulong si Lablab. Nagluto. Okay, so, yeah. Masarap no. So, do it yung bahay para makatikim din yung family, yung mga loved ones niyo. So, thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget, again, to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. See you on my next vlog. Bye!